don't do this. Do the opposite of this. In many cases, we want to consider precisely the opposite case. In Python programming, we use not operator to reverse the result. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. Today, we will learn how to use the not operator. Before we start, there is a word of caution for you. While learning Python, it's not advisable to use not operator. Use not operator when there is no other option. But we should know what exactly is not operator and how to use it. So let's start. Suppose we have two variables a and b. Let's initialize them as a equal to 5 and b equal to 11. Well, compare a and b using equal to operator like this, and then include them in print to display the result. Let's run the code. We got the output as false because a and b are not same. This was simple. Now we will try to use not operator. Before comparison, we will add not over here. Let's run the code, and we got the output as true. Not logical operator reverses true to false and vice versa. We will try one real life example. You are given a driving license only when you have completed 18 years. We will write a simple program to check whether you are eligible for a driving license or not using the not operator. Accept the age of a candidate with input and convert it into an integer. Now write an if statement and then the condition if age greater than equal to 18 like this. Before the condition, use a not operator. In the next line, give an indent and display the message you are not eligible for a license. In the else part, write the message you are eligible for the license. Here we have reversed the result using the not operator. Let's run the code and enter the age of 20. Well, you are eligible for a license. Rerun the program and enter the age 15. You are not eligible for a license now. When you entered the age 15, the program went to this if statement. Here the condition's result was false, but not operator made it true and the net result was true. So the computer displayed this message. Hope you can use not operator in your program, but please be careful while using it. Try to avoid using not operators in your program. Thanks for watching.